Let's talk about a tense that seems simple, but carries the structure of narrative, memory, and completed time. The simple past. It doesn't look dramatic. It doesn't announce itself. But it quietly carries most of the stories we tell. And today, we're going to understand it first. Then practice it in a PT style listening and speaking format. What is the simple past? We use the simple past for things that are past facts or past habits, events in a story or sequence, completed actions. In short, it tells us what happened, and it's done. 1. Past facts or past habits. He used to work at night and sleep during the day. This describes something that was true before, but isn't true now. That's the key. The simple past often signals distance, a finished period of time, a finished version of reality. 2. Events in a story or sequence. They bought a pattern book, chose a plan, and took it to a builder. Notice what's happening. Bought, chose, took. The verbs move the story forward. The simple past is the engine of storytelling. Without it, nothing moves. 3. Completed actions. They opened a new store in Europe last year to test out the market. The action happened. It finished. Time moved on. That's what the simple past does best. It closes the door behind the action. Structural summary. Here is the formula: subject plus past verb. For regular verbs, subject plus verb plus ed. They opened a store. For irregular verbs, subject plus past form. They bought a book. They chose a plan. They took it to a builder. No auxiliary verb in positive statements. Just subject and verb. Clean. Direct. Efficient. Listening and speaking practice. Now let's practice. You will hear a sentence. Pause the video. Repeat it clearly and naturally. Focus on accurate past verb forms, clear pronunciation of ed, endings, natural sentence rhythm, confident pacing. Ready? Sentence 1. He used to work at night and sleep during the day. Sentence 2. They bought a pattern book, chose a plan, and took it to a builder. Sentence 3. They opened a new store in Europe last year to test out the market. Don't rush. The simple past is not dramatic. It's steady. And in English, that quiet confidence matters. Understand the structure first. Then train your accuracy. Because fluency without structure is noise. And structure without understanding is just memorization. See you in the next lesson.